The Atlas Copco ROC L8 is a down-the-hole crawler drill rig that is suited for large-scale production work, pre-split operations, reverse circulation and pit grade control and surface mining operations, and large-scale quarry operations. This machine, according to the box and underneath the actual model itself, was not made by a model manufacturer, but rather appears to be commissioned by Atlas Copco themselves in 1/50th scale. Here you can see the model is folded up for a transport mode, and it can easily be erected into a drill position. It's really kind of fiddly either way you set this thing, but it does seem to be able to hold any pose that you want to be able to pose the machine in, although like I said, it is extremely touchy. Starting out with the machine itself, you can see that actually there's a color mismatch between this yellow and this yellow, but it's not too noticeable unless you're staring right at it, but still for us serious collectors that can be a bit cumbersome. This model arrived to me from somewhere in China, and the stairs to access the operator's cabin had to be superglued, as well as a few other plastic components such as this, and the aerial on the back of the machine had to be reapplied. But I guess other than that, you can say the model arrived intact, right? The crawler tracks on this are rubber, and they're really way too stiff to roll on any kind of surface. You know, very obviously this model is just usually supposed to be for looks and not really much anything else. The box that it came in features a nice picture of the real machine on the back, as well as a clear window box on the front. So again, in summation, this is the Atlas Copco ROC L8 quarry drill. So, I mean, it is a decent enough machine, but there's just a lot of plastic used, and honestly, I didn't really have much nice to say about it, just for nothing else due to the condition that it arrived to me in. I did fail to mention that I guess there are some nice warning graphics right here, so that's a nice detail. But I think this would be one of the models that, if I were you, I would pass on just due to the price, the high plastic content, and the lack of functionality. So thank you guys for watching, and those of you that saw my post on Facebook, the next review coming up, not sure if it'll be today, tomorrow, or maybe even a couple days after that, but it will be the Vermeer TWH tub grinder. So thanks for the support as always, guys. We'll see you next time.